If you've been feeling tired but wired, gaining weight even though you're eating clean, or lying awake at night with your mind racing, there's a good chance it's not your fault. It might be cortisol, the stress hormone silently disrupting your sleep, your metabolism, your mood, and even your ability to think clearly. And here's the part most people never hear. You can lower cortisol naturally, and the results can happen fast. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. Today I'll show you exactly what cortisol is, what causes it to spike, and the most effective science-backed strategies to bring it back into balance. Cortisol is not the villain. It's a survival hormone produced by your adrenal glands that helps you wake up, stay alert, regulate inflammation, and respond to stress. It follows a natural rhythm, high in the morning, low at night. But when that rhythm breaks, everything else breaks with it. When cortisol stays elevated for too long, it becomes a silent disruptor of nearly every system in your body. Most people think stress is just feeling overwhelmed, but cortisol rises for many reasons you don't even notice. Here is a list of potential causes. 1. Psychological stress. 2. Poor sleep. 3. Blood sugar spikes. 4. Overtraining. 5. Chronic inflammation. 6. Caffeine overuse. 7. Emotional suppression. High cortisol doesn't just make you stressed, it changes your biology. It disrupts sleep, especially at night. It increases belly fat and cravings for sugar. It shrinks the hippocampus, hurting memory. It raises blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance. It suppresses thyroid and sex hormones. It weakens your immune system. And it accelerates aging by shortening telomeres. This is why you can feel like you're doing everything right, but your body still feels out of balance. Fortunately, there are natural strategies to lower cortisol. 1. Morning sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes resets your cortisol-melatonin rhythm. This is one of the fastest ways to fix cortisol naturally. 2. Slow breathing and nervous system regulation. Breathing is the remote control for your stress response. Techniques like 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath gently for 7 seconds. Slowly exhale fully through your mouth for 8 seconds, making the whooshing sound. Box breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold that breath in for another 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds, releasing the air steadily. Hold for another 4 seconds. Yoga. Slow nasal breathing. These shift your body out of fight or flight in minutes. 3. Adaptogenic herbs. These herbs help regulate the stress response. Ashwagandha, rhodiola, holy basil, L-theanine. Ashwagandha alone can reduce cortisol by up to 30%. 4. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Magnesium glycinate is best for calming the nervous system. 5. Improve sleep quality. Sleep is the most powerful cortisol regulator. Tips: cool room, dark environment, no screens before bed, consistent sleep/wake times. 6. Stabilize blood sugar. Balanced blood sugar equals balanced cortisol. Tips: eat protein with every meal. Avoid skipping meals. Reduce sugar and refined carbs. 7. Gentle movement. Walking, yoga, stretching. These lower cortisol far more effectively than high-intensity workouts. 8. Emotional processing. Unprocessed emotions keep cortisol elevated. Tools that help: journaling, cognitive behavioral therapy, gratitude practicing, mindfulness, meditation. My final thought: cortisol isn't the enemy, it's a survival hormone. But when life pushes your stress system too hard for too long, cortisol becomes the thing that holds you back. The good news? Your body knows how to heal. And when you support your circadian rhythm, your nervous system, your blood sugar, and your emotional health, cortisol naturally returns to balance. Start with just one of these strategies today, and watch how quickly your energy, sleep, and mood begin to shift. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my latest book, Stronger by the Day Nutrition, the ultimate guide to diet types, foods, and recipes for energy, fat loss, strength, longevity, disease prevention, brain health, and more, along with all the other books in the Stronger by the Day Empowerment Collection, all available on Amazon and my website. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.